Good morning everyone. நம்மளோட சிஸ்டம் இன்னைக்கு Pல ப்ரிப்பேர் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. So we are not sure until it comes around 194. So we have to allow some time. We'll see. So today it seems like open is equal to high. So we'll wait for that. Definitely the target will be reaching around 198. From that to 210. So we'll see. Orders got just executed. We are done for the day exactly around 3 points. So we'll check on the fires. So this is also successfully done. So we are done for the day, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We'll see you on Monday. Bye.